Introducing the Oracle Output LED Animated Startup Sequencer Module, an easy-to-install upgrade to the universal illuminated letter badges.
So now we're going to wire all the positives together to the positive on the sequencer. So you wire everything up. Your positive goes in here, and then you run your negatives in. This is the first letter, second letter, third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter, and sixth letter. So you want to test out, make sure you have the right letter. You probably put in 2 of them first, verify which one is your first letter and second letter. It should blink from the passenger side first, and then to the driver's side, and then back. All right, so now that we have everything tied in, we're just gonna tidy it up, zip tie some stuff down, and then run your connector straight into the fuse box here. So we're using an ATA circuit fuse here, and we're tying it into fuse number 25, which is the rear view camera. All right, so I'm bundling these up and zip tie them together. All right, now that we have everything tucked away, we're gonna go ahead and start putting everything back together on the header here, and that should be it for the install. Now we're gonna reinstall these 10mm bolts, there's 4 of them. All right, now we're gonna reinstall the header panel. Just simply put it back in place and put your push pins back in.
Radco, your truck accessories pro.